Here we go.
What are you gonna do?
Alright. Oh, hang on. It says keep going. Keep going. Go, go, go. Stop. Alright, Trip. Here we go.
Yeah.
Trip's first car wash.
Like somebody had me.
Alright, sit down. Sit down so you can see what happens.
Ow.
Watch. It says watch. What does that mean? Oh no.
What?
Do I have to back up?
I think so.
Okay. Alright, here we go.
How are you gonna see?
Oh, you'll see. Here it comes.
I gotta see. Yeah.
Watch here. Watch, watch, watch. He's gonna come there too. Watch front. Look up. Look up.
I thought you guys can get in here.
Nah, you don't get us wet.
Hey, how it moves?
It's automatic. It does it like a robot.
It's in it?
No, baby. It's got a long ways to go.
I didn't been in car wash before.
It gets better. Hang on, wait till the rollers start going. Alright, look behind us. It's doing something. And we're listening to Elton John because Mama's going to the Elton John concert tonight. Here it comes. I hear something. Oh, it's squirting me down with soap, looks like. Neato, look at there. There's the soap. Uh-oh, now we can't see. What's happening? What's happening out there? What's going on? Uh-oh, what's that, Trip? What is that? What is that? That sounds pretty crazy. Ooh, look at it. Can you see? Here it comes. Here it comes. Oh, it's gonna get us. It's gonna get us. Ah! Oh, it's coming.
It's coming, it's coming, it's coming.
Here it goes.
Duck!
Ah! You better watch. Whoa, buddy. It's shaking the car, Trip. Ah! Watch here. It's like a tornado. Oh no, not again. It's coming back around. Look over there. I see. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh. What's he doing? Is he coming back? Oh no. Ah. Whew. That was a close one.
Duck! It's coming back!
What's he doing? Oh, it's like two tornadoes.
It's two!
So, how do you like it?
It made me fell! Ah!
You better get up. Oh, here he comes again.
Ah! Hold on!
Oh, hold on. Oh, I feel it.
Me too.
Oh, I feel it. Oh, I feel it.
Me too. Ow. What are you doing? Look.
I want to see.
Come on, see that yet? Come on, Nick.
Oh, he's spraying us off. So what you think?
Okay.
That's pretty cool.
Come on. How you see? Okay. Oh.
All right, help me watch for the green light. Uh-oh, what's it gonna do now? What's it doing now?
What is that? Soap?
I don't know.
Soap coming on the left? Soap. Soap came on the left. Car. Oh, what's going on now? Ah! Look!
What is it? Oh, he's spraying my side.
Erase that! I don't want to see that.
All right, that's my favorite part, is watching the sunroof. It's gonna blow dry us.
Ah!
Check this out. It's gonna put wind on us. Lots of strong hurricane force wind. Watch the water. Watch the water on the windshield. Whoa.
Okay, Hula Girl. Be careful, Hula Girl. Here's your seatbelt. Put a seatbelt on her.
Thank you.
Now we're gonna have a deal. What's that?
All right, so how'd you like your first car wash?
I like it.
Was it pretty cool?
Hey, Mommy, it one more thing.
Yeah, I think that gets our tires if I bought that. I don't know if I bought that though.
Your car is pretty long. You could get in it. It doesn't go.
Here it comes again.
Ah! Look up! Look at it! Come on! Put this. Ah! Take it off. Here, put it on yours. That's okay.
Whoa, I feel it.
Me too. Wow! That hurt!
Careful.
I hold on this.
Okay. That's a good idea.
Not
Not yet. I think it might be over. Tell it bye-bye.